My name's Jason. I'm the director of Gecko Vending. We're an independent vending machine operator located here in southeast Queensland. We started using the Nayax platform in early 2012. Basically, we sought out Nayax straight up for their credit card functionality. We already had vending machines that took cash and coins, but we quickly realised that about 25% of our customer base didn't even carry cash in their wallet anymore. So for us to get that other market was absolutely key. The specific features I love the most in Nayax is the scheduling and pre-kitting, allowing us to see what we need to put in the vending machines the day before. The other thing we absolutely love is the temperature alert system. We do a lot of fresh and frozen food. So for us, being able to know the temperature of the inside of the vending machine is absolutely critical. The next best feature we love about the Nayax units is the ability to be able to see the real-time stock levels inside your vending machine. This allows us to fill a machine earlier than required. Nayax allows us to use prepaid card systems. We issue these to the sites themselves, and the HR departments can use them to reward their staff for free lunch during the day. It also allows us to give them to places like hospitals, and they help actually feed their patients during the day. When we first put the Nayax units on back in 2012, the initial take-up rate was about 25%, which is incredible because we never had any of card transactions before. As of yesterday, with our latest data, our sales are now increased to 88% cashless. It's incredible, and obviously I think it's going to keep moving forward in this direction. Nayax has given us the peace of mind that we can check in on all of our vending machines on a daily basis and know they're actually all working and all functioning. One of our funny things that my wife and I do together at night time is actually check the status of all of our vending machines, and we call it tucking them in. So we can go to bed happy knowing that they're all working well, ready for our consumers.